Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Amrita Mishra, a content creator and a social media freelancer, and today we are going to talk about outbound leads. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any other videos from my end. So there are basically two kinds of leads, inbound leads and outbound leads. Let's suppose you are a content writer and there's a founder who is looking for a content writer for their website. They type in content writer on LinkedIn and they find your profile. They check out the details, they like your profile, they reach out to you, and then you have a discussion and then you sign the deal, right? So you got a client, and that is called inbound leads, when people reach out to you. What is outbound leads? Just the opposite. You need work, you look out for clients at various places, you cold email them, you DM them on LinkedIn, you follow them up on Instagram, and after all of this, when you finally close the deal, that is an outbound lead. It sounds like too much work, but let me make it simple for you in 3 easy steps. So first is WhatsApp communities. Whenever I feel stuck or whenever I feel that I can take up more work, I just drop a simple message in all my WhatsApp communities. Like if anyone is looking for a content writer or a social media creator, please feel free to reach out to me for any queries. And I almost always get 5 to 10 queries. Most of them are from either marketing heads or from founders who are looking for content writers and social media managers for their organization. So they ask me for my portfolio and I share it, and sometimes they get converted to leads as well. So that is one easy way to get leads. I can't start describing how powerful WhatsApp communities can be. According to Business World, over 15 million WhatsApp business account users are in India, and there are over 50 billion WhatsApp business account users all over the world. While most of them may not be your leads, it still gives us a good idea of the potential of WhatsApp groups and communities. So, how to actually do this? The first step will be to find valuable WhatsApp communities, and you can reach out to any digital marketer you know or anyone in your field basically to help you get connected to other people in a group, or if they are some part of a group. That's how you get connected. So the second step is to actually build relationships in the group. Engage with whatever links other people are putting up or whatever queries they may have, resolve them in the group and establish your credibility. And the third and the final step would be to draft a simple message. Don't put in your charges, don't put in your portfolio directly. You want as many people as possible to come to you, to your DMs, right? You want them to DM you, or even if they're not DMing you, even if they are talking in the group, you can at least DM them and reach out to them. The second way is through LinkedIn, and I know a lot of people talk about this, but very few people actually leverage it. So when I was starting my digital marketing journey back in 2018, I was looking for a client to like give me a content writing work, because I had just started my journey in content writing and I did not even have a niche back then. So I started DMing my connections. Do you know anyone who needs digital marketing services? And if not, then please feel free to reach out to me for any queries. I agree it helps in building good connections, quality connections, but it is the hard way and I wouldn't recommend you to go this way. Instead, what you can do is what I recently started doing. Go to LinkedIn search bar and type content writers needed and just check out every post that comes along, and you can even actually sort it by date so that you can get fresh new opportunities which have a higher chances of conversion. Do you know why this method works so well on LinkedIn? Because we are reaching out to the people who actually need us rather than reaching out to everyone. There is a popular saying, if you try to be everything for everyone, you become nothing for no one. The third and the final way is to ask your family and friends. This is the most obvious thing that we often ignore because we think who we don't know anyone, and our family or friends, they are not even connected to someone who might need our services. We're doing something completely out of the box, but trust me, that's not the case most of the times. When we had our startup and we were looking for clients for our digital marketing services, and I was as usual pinging everyone on my LinkedIn for if they knew someone with digital marketing services, we ignored this part. And at the end of the day, the first client we got for digital marketing, in fact, the first 2 or 3 clients that we got for digital marketing was through our family and friends. The key takeaway for me from this incident was ask people around you in real life before you go and ask people on social media. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, do implement the steps and let me know if it worked out for you. Also, if you want to get more clients, then check out this video right here and stay tuned.